जावा में हमारा जो मेनली यूज होती है हमारा जेडीबीसी इन होता है। जेडीबीसी क्या होता है? जेडीबीसी ये हमारा ये क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हेन ए जावा एप्लीकेशन नीड टू सेव रिट्राइव डेटा फ्रॉम डेटाबेस ओरेकल, हाउ डज इट गेट विद द डेटाबेस? This is a mainly you have a Java application need to save and retrieve the MySQL. How to the save? This is a question to the student. First, you have a question. Second, this is a answer. Java application to JDBC API, JDBC driver and database. A Java program cannot directly understand database-specific network. JDBC provide a standard Java API to send SQL statement to database, and a JDBC driver convert JDBC calls into database specific command and return result to Java. This is a main question. Question: how to the connect Java with SQL? So ODBC is a provide. ODBC is a Java database connectivity, and it is a cannot understand a specific network. JDBC provides standard Java API to send SQL command to database. A JDBC driver convert JDBC calls into database a specific command and return results. At the end of session you can able to learning outcome one, explain a purpose of need of the JDBC in Java database programming. Learning outcome two, identify JDBC architecture, driver types, role of the driver manager. Learning outcome three, write the basic JDBC step to connect, execute SQL and process result set. Learning outcome 4, apply exception handling, transaction and best practice for safe database access. Learning outcome 5, differentiate statement, prepare statement, closable statement. Session outline. दिस इज ए लर्निंग। आप ये क्लास के बाद क्या क्या सीखेंगे? जस्ट आउटकम 5, हाउ टू द आउटकम ऑफ दिस सेशन। फर्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द जेडीबीसी, नीड टू जेडीबीसी इन जावा एप्लीकेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन व्हाट इज द जेडीबीसी and what are the work of the JDBC, how to the connect Java to database and JDBC architecture and component, how to the need JDBC in Java application, type of the JDBC driver and a step to connect Java with the database, how to the program to the Java with the JDBC, and what are the statement, callable statement, prepare statement, meta statement, and what are the advantage of JDBC, disadvantage of the JDBC, limitation of the JDBC, application of the JDBC. This is a learning outcome. And this slide, what is the JDBC? JDBC is a stand for the Java database connectivity. It is standard Java API used to connect Java program with the relational database. This is a Java program to database driver to relational database. So this is a JDBC API. JDBC API allow Java application to execute SQL query and update database record. It works with the database such as a MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server. Basically, Java JDBC to connect Java applications and SQL to connect with the Java. Why JDBC is needed? Without JDBC, each database has its own connection method and protocol, making Java code database dependent. With JDBC, Java uses one common API while JDBC driver handle database specific communication. Result port table, main table, result table, database applicable will be developed in Java. This is a main. This is a with Java, without Java, where are the results? So Java code, JDBC API, driver and database. JDBC architecture. Java, there have a 4 type of the architecture: Java application, JDBC SQL. This is a package java.sql, and JDBC driver and database server. So request, this is a command, SQL command, update, delete. This is a use. Move from Java API to database. Response, result set, update, count, result bit to Java. And key management. Key management, driver manager, connection, statement, prepare, full rival, result, SQL. This is a main benefit. Just a driver manager to JDBC, to connection oriented, prepare result, callable result, result and SQL. Type of JDBC driver, JDBC drive, ODBC bridge, native driver, use native database library install on the client machine. Network protocol driver, send JDBC call to middleware server which communicate with the database. Tin driver, pure Java driver, directly communicate with the database, most commonly used. Type 4 driver is a very important to use the everything. Network protocol driver send JDBC call to middleware server while communicate with the database. So this is a most practical JDBC application use type 4 driver because they are performed independently and easy to deploy.